Hello my dear students, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel Study Hour. Today's video will discuss about the new syllabus of class 9 and class 10 of CBSE and NCERT recommended by CBSE board. Okay, for the session of 2020-21 due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Okay, this CBSE board has already mentioned to reduce the syllabus 30%. Okay, let's discuss. This is for class 9 mathematics. Okay, the first unit, number system, algebra, coordinate geometry, mensuration, statistic. Okay, these are the unit topics for class 9 mathematics for this session. Okay, this is science, matters, its nature and behavior, organization in the living world, motion, force and work. Okay, next, this is social science. Okay, India and the contemporary world 1, contemporary India 1, democratic politics 1, economics. These are the 4 units for social science for this session. Okay, next, this is English grammar. These are the topics: tenses, modals, subject, verb, concord, reported speech including commands and requests, statements, questions, determiner. Clear? Next, deleted grammar topics. Deleted topics, these are the deleted topics for this session: use of passive voice, clause, noun clause, adverb clause of condition and times, relative clause, prepositions. Next, deleted letter on a situation, descriptive paragraph, letter and on a situation, these are deleted. This is deleted for this session. And descriptive paragraph on a placement, this is also deleted for this session. Okay, next, textbook. These are the deleted topics: the lake isle of Innisfree, the snake and the mirror, the dog and the kangaroo, Kathmandu, a slumber did my spirit seal. These are the deleted topics of class 9. Okay, then supplementary reader book, deleted topic: the Iswaran, the storyteller, the accidental tourist. These are all about the syllabus for 2020-21 session of class 9. Okay, next, class 10. Let's discuss about class 10 syllabus for this session. This is mathematics, number system, algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. These 7 units consist for this session. Okay, next, these are science topic: chemical substance, nature and behavior, world of living, natural phenomena, effects of current, natural sources. These are 5 units or 5 topics for this session only. Okay, next, this is social science: India and contemporary world 2, contemporary India 2, democratic politics 2, understanding economic development. Okay, these are the 4 units or 4 topics for this session 2020-21 due to COVID-19. Okay, next, this is English. Okay, English grammar: tenses, modals, subject, verb, concord, reported speech including command and request, statement, questions and determiner. Deleted topics for this session of English grammar: use of passive voice, noun clause, adverb clause, relative clause, preposition. These are deleted topic. Next, textbook. These are the deleted topic: how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter for Annie Gregory. Next, this is supplementary reader book, deleted. These are the deleted topics. Okay, the midnight visitor, the question, a question of trust, the book that saved the earth. Okay, in this video we have discussed all about the syllabus for this session. Okay, Thank you.